All right, it says Adam invests $2,500 in a bond that earns 2.3% interest compounded continuously. That word continuously is very important. What will the value of the bond be in 20 years? So the formula we're going to write out here is the continuous interest formula, which is A equals P times E raised to the R times T. So what do we know? We are looking for A because that's the ending amount, but the P is given to us, that is 2,500. R is the interest rate, is 2.3%, so we're going to change that to a decimal, so 0.023. And then T is 20 for 20 years. So we'll put that in our formula. A equals 2,500 times E raised to the 0.023 times 20. And I'm going to punch in the buttons, and let's see if you get the same thing I get. Remember, there's a separate video where we talked about making sure we get the right thing. So I get $3,960.18. Okay. So if you have trouble with the calculator, let's talk about it.